Hello, welcome to our virtual class. It's me, your math teacher. Today in our math class, we are in chapter 4 and the topic is test of divisibility. In our previous class, we have learned about the divisibility rule for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And today in our class, we are going to learn the divisibility rule for 7, 12, 15, 18 and 25. First of all, let's go for the divisibility rule for 7. We have 3 steps here to check whether the number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay. The first is remove last digit and double it. The first step is we have to remove the last digit of given number and we have to double it. Then subtract it from remaining number. If the answer is 0 and or divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. Means we have to subtract that number which we have removed and doubled it. We have to subtract that number from the remaining number, and if we get 0, then it is divisible by 7, or if it is not 0 or it is divisible by 7, the whole number is divisible by 7. Okay, now let us check. Here you can see the last digit is 4. The last digit is 4. Now we have to remove this from the given number. Okay, we have to remove. After we remove, our number is 27, isn't it? Because we have removed this 4 number. So we have to double it and subtract from this number. Double means 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, remove this. Now double, remove and double. First step, let us follow. Double it. 4 plus 4, it is 8, isn't it? Remove and double it. Then second step, we have to subtract from the number. Means 127 minus 8. We have to subtract this, isn't it? Means what is our difference then? Our difference is 119. This is our difference here. Now it is not 0. Okay, if the difference is 0, then it is divisible by 7, or if it is not 0, then we have to check whether the number 7 divides 119 or not. Okay, now let us check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. Now let's check. 119. Okay, let us divide here. 11, 7 ones are 7. Now subtract this. You get 11 minus 7, it is 4. Bring down 9. 7. Okay, 7 sevens are 49. Subtract. Okay, yes, the number 119 is divisible by 7, isn't it? So it gives 17 as a quotient and leaves no remainder, isn't it? There is no remainder, so the whole number is divisible by 7. Now which number is divisible by 7? The whole number means 1, 2, 7, 4. This number is divisible by 7. What we did, we removed the last digit, that is 4. We double it and we got 8, and we subtract, and the remaining number is 127, isn't it? The remaining number is 127, and we have subtracted that, and we have checked whether it is divisible by 7 or not. It leaves no remainder while dividing, so the whole number is divisible by 7. Understood, everyone? Now let's go for another rule. Yes, divisibility rule, 4 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 divisibility rule, If the sum of all digits divisible by 3 and last two digits are divisible by 4, then what happen? Then the number is divisible by 12 by 4, then the number is divisible by 12. Yes, by 12. Okay, yes, 12. What is the what are the multiplicants to get the product 12? Do you know? 3 4s are 12, isn't it? So this is trick for you to remember that if we have to check the number whether the number is divisible by 12 or not, means it has to satisfy the divisibility rule of 3. Okay, yes, it has to satisfy the divisibility rule of 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3? That the sum of all the digits of the number must be divisible by 3, isn't it? And what is the another condition? Means the last two digit must be divisible by 4, means the last two digit must be divisible by 4. Okay, yes. Now let's check this number, the last two digit, the sum of all digit here. The first condition must be divisible by 3. So sum of all digit. Okay, let's sum this. 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 2 plus 4 plus 0. It gives 24 sum, and 24, 2 plus 4, it is 6. Yes, this is divisible by 3. It meets the first condition, isn't it? Now what is the second condition? That the second condition must be the second condition here, last two digit must be divisible by 4. So here first condition met. Here 6 is divisible by 3. So 3 6 9 2 4 0 is divisible by 3, isn't it? By 3, it meets first condition. Now second condition, what is the last two digit? Last two digit is 40, isn't it? The last two digit is 40 here, so it must be divisible by 4. Yes, 40 40 or 4 tens are 40, it is divisible. 40 is divisible by 4. So 3 9 6 3 6 9 2 4 0 is divisible by 4. By 4. Now it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 4. Yes, it meets the condition, both condition. Hence the whole number, isn't it? The write the number. Hence the number 3 6 9 2 4 0 is divisible by 12, isn't it? Is divisible by 12. Yes, this is the condition, okay, for the divisibility rule for 12. Now let us go for another rule, that is divisibility rule for 15. 15, okay. If the number is divisible by 3 and 5, then the number is divisible by 15. Yes, here I want to say that the multiplicand's 3 times of 5 is 15, isn't it? Yes, it helps you to remember the rule. That is why I am saying so. So the conditions are, if the number is divisible by 3 and then 5, then the number is divisible by 15. Understood, everyone? For this, what you have to do? You have to know the divisibility rule for 3 and 5, isn't it? So let us check this number. Let us check this number now. Yes, what is the condition for 3? Condition for 3 is that all the sum of the digit must be divisible by 3. So sum of the digit 4 plus 8 plus 3 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0. It is 33. And 33, 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Yes, the whole number is, and 6 is divisible by 3, isn't it? 6 is divisible by 3. By 3, so 4, 8, 3, 9, 9, 0 is divisible by 3. Divisible by divisible by 3. Now we have to know the condition, second condition, that it must be divisible by 5 also. Here, what is the divisibility rule for 5? Do you know? That a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5, isn't it? If the last digit is 0 or 5, here you can see the last digit is 0. So the second condition for 5, the last digit is 0. The last digit is 0. So 4, 8, 3, 9, 9, 0 is divisible by 5. Yes. So now it meets the condition for 3, it meets the condition for 5. Hence the number is divisible by 15, isn't it? Hence the number 48390 is divisible by 15. Now we can say this because it meets the condition for the divisibility rule for 3 and 5. So okay, understood, everyone? Now let's go for another. Yes, rule for 18 here. Rule for 18 means 18. What are the multiplication? 9 2s are 18, isn't it? Here 9 2s are 18. So if the number is divisible by 2 and 9, then the number is divisible by 18, means it has to meet the condition of 9 and 2. Okay, so what is the rule for 2? That the last digit must be even number. Here the last digit digit is 6. So 2 4 3 6 4 6 is divisible by 2. Okay, you can write in this way, by 2. Yes, now it has to meet the condition for 9. What is the divisibility rule for 9? That, do you remember? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. So you have to know the rule for 9, understood? Yes. The sum of the digits must be divisible by 9. So let us aid for 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit. So what is the sum here? Here sum is 27. Understood? Sum is 27 and 2 plus 7, it is 9. Yes, it is divisible by 9. We can say now it is divisible by 9. Now here we can say 9 is divisible by 9. 9 is divisible 9. So the number, so 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 2, 6 is divisible by 9. We can write this now. By 9. Now see, it met the condition that it is divisible by 2 and 9. So hence we can write in this way, hence 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 2, 6. This number is divisible by 18. Divisible by 18. Understood, everyone? Yes. Now let us go for the another rule. That is a rule for 25. What is the rule for 25? If the last two digits are zeros or divisible by 25. Okay, if last two digits are zeros or divisible by 25. See, you can see here the last two digit are 0. So it is divisible by 25. We can say directly here. Okay, we do not need to do some calculation here. So we can say the last two digit are 0, 0, 0, 0. So the number So the number 2 9 8 7 6 0 0 is divisible by 25. You can say in this way. Okay, so if the two zeros are not given, then how we have to do calculation? I want to take any number like 4 7 2 4 7 2 4 8 5 0. Let me take this number here. In the last two digits are not two zeros. So what we have to do? We have to do division. Okay, we have to divide 50 by 25. 50 by 25 here. 50 divide. Let us divide 50 by 25 here. 25 1 is 25, 25 2s are 50, isn't it? Here it is divisible by 25. Yes, here the last you can write the last two digit 50 is divisible by 25, so the numbers 472 4850 is divisible by 25. Okay, yes, it is divisible by 25. We can write in this way.